PlanPulse is a powerful student productivity tool designed to manage academic life effectively. It helps students track progress, manage time, and organize exam schedules. The dashboard serves as your academic command center. It provides an immediate, high-level summary of your current standing, including your next upcoming exam, the total number of subjects you are tracking, your active tasks, and a record of your total study time for the week. This view ensures you stay focused on your most urgent priorities. This section is designed for comprehensive subject management. You can track your current grade versus your target goal for each class, monitor how many exams are approaching for specific subjects, and view assigned tasks or total study hours. It helps you visualize your progress and identify areas that need more attention. The task manager keeps your academic life organized by centralizing all your assignments, homework, and revision items. You can easily categorize tasks by their status, to do, in progress, or done, and assign priority levels to ensure that your most critical work is always addressed first. Stay prepared for your final assessments with the exams module. This feature organizes all your exam dates, times, and locations in one place. By tracking these details, you can plan your revision schedule effectively and ensure you are mentally and logistically prepared for every test. The study tracker helps you maintain consistent learning habits by logging the time you spend on each subject. With a visual breakdown of your sessions over the last 7 days, you can easily identify your most productive days and ensure that your study time is balanced across all your subjects. Introducing PlanPulse AI, your intelligent academic companion. Integrated directly into the platform, PlanPulse AI serves as a personalized study assistant, offering instant, intelligent guidance whenever you need it. Whether you are navigating your task list, preparing for upcoming exams, or trying to optimize your weekly study sessions, the AI provides real-time support, answers questions about your academic goals, and offers study tips tailored to your progress. By bridging the gap between planning and execution, PlanPulse AI ensures you never feel stuck, empowering you to stay organized, focused, and fully prepared for your matriculation journey. How this app helps you: efficient time management. This study session tracker helps you monitor how you distribute your time across different subjects, allowing you to identify which areas need more effort and which are already well covered.